Welcome back to Giggletown, where every day brings a new lesson to learn. Today, little Nibble has discovered something very interesting about his teeth.
Morning, everyone. Look at Nibble go. He's chewing everything. The rope, the bucket, even Meme's basket.
Oh my, Nibble seems very busy this morning, but I notice he's taking things that belong to others.
He chewed right through Pop's special rope. Uh-oh, that looks important.
Everyone pause for a moment. Nibble isn't trying to be naughty, he just doesn't know the rules yet. We can teach him what's okay to chew.
He showed everyone something important. Instead of getting upset, they could help Nibble learn the right way.
Wow, look how happy Nibble is with his own special chew toy. He doesn't need our stuff anymore.
When we teach with patience and show better choices, everyone learns and grows together.
And so in Giggletown, Nibble learned to ask before taking things, and everyone learned that teaching with kindness works better than getting angry.